Vanakkam. Grounding. Feel the earth. Today, let us explore grounding, a simple practice of connecting with nature through direct contact with the earth. What is grounding? Grounding means walking barefoot on natural surfaces such as soil, grass, sand, or water. A natural human experience. For thousands of years, human beings lived in close contact with nature. Grounding reconnects us with that experience. Grounding and science. Research supports the benefits of spending time in nature and practicing mindful movement. Some grounding related claims are still being studied. The power of ocean. The sound of waves, the touch of water, and the beauty of the sea naturally calm the mind. Feel the sand. Notice the sensation of wet sand beneath your feet. Allow your awareness to stay in the present moment. Walk, observe, breathe. Walk gently. Observe the waves. Breathe naturally. Let the body and mind relax. Morning sunlight. Morning sunlight, fresh air, and gentle movement together create a refreshing start to the day. A practice of mindfulness. Grounding is not merely walking barefoot. It is an opportunity to become fully present. My experience walking through the shallow waves of the Bay of Bengal brought me a feeling of joy, peace, and connection with nature. Try it yourself. If you have access to a safe beach, garden, or grassy area, spend a few mindful minutes barefoot and observe your experience. Simple, natural, accessible. Grounding requires no equipment. Nature itself becomes the teacher. Pause for a moment. Feel the earth. Feel the breath. Feel the present moment. Let us pause for a few moments and simply experience the earth beneath us. People may debate theories. People may question mechanisms. But nobody can deny a sincere experience of peace. May every wave wash away stress. May every step awaken awareness. And may every breath bring peace. The earth is beneath our feet, the sky above our heads, and peace within our reach. Like, share, subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to Yogakshemam for more yoga, wellness and mindfulness content. Thank you. Thank you for joining me. May your connection with nature bring peace, balance and well-being.